These expert Howell Township plumbers offer the reliable emergency repair you need. Looking for the best emergency plumbers in Monmouth County? Call New Jersey Shore Plumber at +1 732 652 9555 for all your plumbing needs. These experts offer professional 24/7 emergency solutions for everything from overflowing toilets to burst pipes or broken water heaters. You're guaranteed to get the best possible solution for all your plumbing needs. Go to https://newjerseyshore.plumber.com for more info.